Today's the big day, Gary. Look at me! I'm naked! Gotta be in top physical condition for today, Gary.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Gwinnett County Police Department. This is a child abduction emergency, an Amber Alert. A child has been abducted in the Warned area. The child is identified as Emily Rose Johnson, female, Caucasian, 7 years old, brown hair, blue eyes, 4 feet tall, 50 pounds, last seen wearing a pink dress and white sneakers. The suspect is identified as James Michael Thompson, male, Caucasian, 45 years old, bald, brown eyes, 6 feet tall, 180 pounds, last seen wearing a blue jacket and jeans. The suspect vehicle is a 2018 silver Toyota Camry, license plate GHT729, last seen heading south on Interstate 85 near Pleasant Hill Road. If you see this vehicle or the suspect, do not approach. Call 911 immediately. Anyone with information is urged to contact the Gwinnett County Police Department at 770-513-5200. Repeating, this is an Amber Alert. A child has been abducted. Emily Rose Johnson, age 7. Suspect James Michael Thompson. Vehicle 2018 silver Toyota Camry, license GHT7829. If you have any information, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned to this station for further updates.
When do I start?
Well, lad, it looks like you don't even have your sea legs.
Mr. Krabs, please. I'll prove I'm fry cook material. Ask Squidward, he'll vouch for me.
No. Well, lad, we'll give you a test. And if you pass, you'll be on